my friend.
No, it's bad words. Koya 150.
I don't know.
Koya mean brother. 150 means 150 dirham. Like this.
Maybe. Hi, Mr. Bean.
You know
One,
very
four, three. I don't know.
Yeah, you don't know. You're maskin.
Yan na miskina.
ज्यादा मस्किन ज्यादा पलटीना पूरा
Yeah.
मासूम
Sabi niyo, siya pumasok ka na
तो
sa
कुछ नहीं होना कुछ नहीं होना
Kasi
और
pumunta lang ako isip para lang maglaway ng maglaway yung ayan. Tapos ang dilim kasi walang ilaw, naramdaman ko na lang yung sa may tuhod niya na nasa may ulo ko na, tapos yung dila niya gumanan na sa...
ये गागू
Ang sarap niya kumain, ang tagal din niyang sumisid. Siya naman pala sigara.
Last, this is last. This is last,
One you
okay?
win, one I win. One you win, one I win. This is last.
This is last, okay?
Final round. Too much gagu your room. Why like this?
Sure, that too much gago. That's not good word.
Gagu means beautiful.
Oh, how come? How come it's beautiful?
My friend every time tell me gagu gagu.
So it's beautiful.
Yeah, he said you beautiful.
How come it's beautiful, brother? This is not good. This is not good word.
What's the meaning this one? I will kill her. What she tell like this?
Gago means stupid.
Wallah.
Yes!
Oh, see?
I like this. Now I will now too much fighting this lady.
Ah, it's a lady?
You know, in Dubai kullo lady. I am where I am living, you know, this place is second country of Palestine.
Dahil maganda ka.
The unknown siya.
Muhammad Atif.
Love yourself. Welcome.
Before
Mainit
you come in Dubai,
Ha?
before you come in Dubai,
No. I don't want to go.
why? It's beautiful country.
Yeah, it's beautiful, but
Beautiful
I know.
place.
Yeah, I
Beautiful
know.
place. Beautiful
Yeah, I
people.
know. It's a beautiful place and too much freedom there.
My friend, my friend coming, he also living in Qatar. See, this number one gifter.
From
Thank you,
Qatar?
Johnny. Yeah, follow him. This one Qatar. This my best friend, good friend. रेसो तेरा डोनट काम कर गया कतर वाला शहजादी एक तेरे ना पा रहे हैं ਅਸੀਂ
अच्छा कितना अर्सा हो गया तुम्हारे दुबई है ना
Ano daw? What he said?
कतर की शहजादी means कतर की means शहजादी means is like means शहजादी means is like queen queen
Apat na lang pala kami. Paano to? Kami dalawa natin dyan is magsama. Kayo ni Arlene.
Oo.
Magkano ka? Siyempre, yung iba ibibigay. Itong ibang bed na to, iyan.
Sa ibang lady.
Kayo, si Arlene, taas ko ba?
I don't know the shahzadi meaning. He said queen.
Ha?
Shahzadi means is queen. You know queen? Beautiful, like
Like what?
my English finish.
RIP. Rest in peace English.
My English is too much
Oh?
heavy English. No one understood.
Bakit? Bakit?
लगने लगने रही जो तुम भी काट लाने लग गए हो.
Parang hindi ako
Kanji,
April Lopez, welcome.
thank you na.
April, April
See,
Napis, welcome.
again I know I'm lose. I'm always a loser
Ay, sakto.
because I don't have supporter.
Wala.
Unlike you, you have too much
No
support.
problem. No problem. You follow this friend. This is your country gifter. You take it.
Which
He will
country?
support.
Which country? From Philippines?
Hindi ko malang nagamit mo.
No. Means where you living? He also living there, Qatar.
In Qatar?
Yeah.
After this class, okay?
Okay, Khala. No punishment. You lose
No,
final.
no. We don't
You
have
lose.
any we
You
don't have
lose
any
final.
we don't have any agreement about this.
Agreement. Punish. Yalla.
La
Habibi.
la. Yala kalas na. Bye.
Why like this? You lose two match. Why?
Yeah, I don't have because I don't have nothing, you know.
Okay, thank you so much. Nice to meet you.
Nice
Welcome.
meeting. Nice meeting you too. Bye.
Tata. Tata. Bye bye. Go.
Yala na, you go. You go. I don't know how to remove you.
I like this, Habibi.
Yala go.
Yalla, Sura.
Thank you.
What lady, madam? Who's client? Ikaw. Kasi, 4 hours? What time? 5 o'clock until 9? No, madam. 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock, no. Sabi ko, kanina 6 o'clock, papasukin niya ako.
Sino ba yun?
Bago daw na kliyente. Sabi ko, 3 o'clock walang problema, madam. Sabi ko kanina, pasukin ko. Hindi, 6 o'clock. Ayaw ko. Sabi ko ngayon, yan na naman 5 o'clock. Until 9 o'clock gabi.
Hi, Habib. Good evening po.
Pasukin ko kung 3 o'clock yan.
Alas 5 na. Anong oras ka na matapos?
Oo, last 9. Sabi ko 3 o'clock.
Sabi ng kliyente kanina, may kinukuha daw siya na iba company. 15 lang daw ang ano. 15 lang daw ang per ora. Sabi ko, doon ka na kumuha, madam. Hindi mapait. Alam mo, masarap sana to kung may suka eh.
Wala ate.
Mantika ang nilagay mo. Hindi mo na lang imprito. Nag-order ako kanina, hindi ka nagpasama.
Suka? Suka yan, tayo makakain. Let's go.
Pwede natin bukas na bumalik.
Hindi naman siya pupunta kasi nasa bahay na siya.
Bukas ka na bumalik.
Every time I hear that to you, what I will do. And you always say that.
Hindi na yan makapunta pag nasa bahay na. Guys, let's eat, guys. Nasaan kaya yung mga kaibigan ko? Thank you for following Shafik. Yala, let's eat. Kain ka baba?
Ngayon ko trabaho.
Kakain ka na.
Yung sukli niya sa 50 kanina sa Uber. Sorry, ma'am. Makadidi ka?
Kaya mag-check tayo sa inyo.
Ano, kaliwanag.
Arlene, mag-shot tayo sa inyo. Mag-shot tayo. Nandito ko kanina si Darmo, nakita ko eh.
Yung kabila na, okay na nakamagmagamit. Hindi ko yan sinabawag, ginisa ko lang yan. Ano lang dito? Ito me. Pinukod ko na para makulang si Dennis mamaya. No, may madam. May madam drop me na. How come I come with my madam? Yummy. I need to pick up this one of the garbage na. I eat first before I go in. Kung magsabi mo. I eat with mama.
Darmo! 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 Shoot! Oy, Shupik!
Sa bahay.
Darmo! Shoot!
Kasi, hindi yan marunong mag-sign language.
You still have drink there?
Mami, ayaw mo na?
You still
May ulam dito.
have drink? We go there? Naman siya, no problem.
Nagkuha man ako doon. Ha? Nagkuha ako doon.
Are you sure? Shirley, si Janice, anuhan mo ng
Meron pala doon.
Tinira ko sana yan kay Janice.
Sorry naman.
Kasi alam kong meron kang tinira doon. Hindi, yan mo na. Ito, ubusin mo to.
Sabi ko nga, dito yung ulam. Hindi ko man alam. Labas.
When?
Hindi ako kumain yan.
Ito na. Hindi ako nanamay. Masabi niya.
Oo daw. Hindi mo natanggihan yan.
Oo, wala man yung problema eh.
No problem man yan lagi. Ay, wa. Shahada. Always.
May Pepsi dyan.
Saan?
Saan? Salita? Kaya?
Oo.
Pepsi Mountain Dew.
Oh, thank you. Pareha lang naman.
Hindi yan pareha.
Mountain Dew to.
Din yan.
Sukat kan siya.
Ha?
Sukat kan.
Kapalan.
Bangir.
Ayoko.
Maiwan ka?
Ayaw niya kasi nagpakain na yan kagabi. 69 daw sila. Yung marites dito.
Sana all.
Already finished na. Hi, Fida.
Ano na yung baso mo?
Hindi na, may laman pa.
Let's eat, Fida. Okay, later na.
Hindi na lang tinaramdam. Tinatagalan eh. Ito namdama, inipis.
Later, I will check, okay?
I was also my laundry na. Ay,
Parang gusto kong kumain ng kanin.
ba't di ka kumain kasi?
Nabusog kasi ako sa pasta.
Di ka kanin, masarap din na.
Kakain nga ako. Tuwa naman ako sa inyo. Magaya nga. May kanin pa si Janice. Iintindi mo ngayon. Ate Pem, kain tayo ulit.
Sabi nga ni Madam, you want to come with us? First in the soup wagon. Akalas, Madam.
Balikan man ang hirap.
Sana nga, yun na lang ako bumalik eh. Natulog lang naman yung bata.
Oh, wala ka namang ginawa. Nagreklamo pa.
Natulog lang din.
May kanin pa si Janice. Dito, wala na oh.
Pero ang gato na.
Opa.
Bilis na.
Si nanay, hindi na naman kasi nagsaing.
Sasampalin kita dyan. Sabi mo kanina, hindi na ako magsasaing kay para sa ating lahat yan.
Kulang man to.
O di magsaing ako. Problema ba yun?
Sige, nagsaing siya.
Nag-aaway pa kayo.
Hindi mo kami nag-aaway niyan. Ganyan lang kami.
Tapos ganito pa rin yan sa kabila. Hindi magtataka yung mga kasama doon. Gaaway ba kayo? Hindi, ganito na kami.
Ganyan man lang kami. Kaysa naman naglalambingan kami na malayo sa katotohanan.
Naglalambingan ng plastic. May ulam si Janice dyan? Baka agawin si Janice nang sa akin. Nangisaka.
Nayan na ba?
Nanay, wala ba ginagawa?
Later na. Because I'm eating these bones.
Hindi ka niya man.
Hindi. Ah, bugayam niya.
Hindi ko makaman. At adon na bagas ko.
Doon na, maraming bigas yun. Ako nga, wala akong bigas. Hoy, Malik, halika nga dito.
Hello, mommy. How are you, mommy? Make big screen your face. Then I can make fun for you. I try to make you Messiah.
Malik,
Why you
Yeah,
drink
yeah.
milk na? You not wait for me.
what did you say? Ay,
I say when you die, like when you finish.
later na. You know, see what I'm eating?
Why you not give me milk?
Curb.
Fish bones.
Saan ka sa Qatar?
Ha?
Qatar. Ano gawa mo ikaw trabaho?
Ha? Ay,
Trabaho.
Ardoni, kalas na trabaho.
Ano trabaho?
On-call cleaner. Ardoni, how are you?
Which company?
Cleaning company.
Have name or no?
Ha?
Have name or no?
Akasha Company.
Akasha.
Kanino to si Molina?
Marunong ka niyan? Kastaman.
Yung sweet to, di ba? Oo. Madali man.
Where you from Philippines?
Kanya?
Ay, nanay, galing sa kliyente.
Sa'yo yan, me? Ikaw ko mo sa gawin na.
Saya Tagalog.
Saya.
Nahigag matini mo.
Mashallah. Kasabot man lagi ka dong, uy.
I don't know too much. Some words I know.
Ba't hindi nailaw?
Ito, cake.
Ilo.
Atin yan sa birthday mo, me. Gawan kita ng cake.
Why she is too much aggressive this t-shirt? Gusto ko kita makita.
This what your problem? Hayane?
Hello, how are you?
Ay,
Why-
Arman.
Why you angry, Miss Golden Hair? Mommy, this is your daughter?
Yeah, I have lots of daughter. I think around 20 or more.
I think in this all company is your daughter, Ala?
Yeah, I have too much daughter. But I only have two real daughter.
Oh,
These are all adopted.
bakit he is so angry?
No, she's not.
I'm not angry.
You want to see your jaw?
She's
Why? Hello,
who's that?
this is my roommate.
What?
You want this one, mommy? Hello.
Eh,
Sabi niya, hindi ko na kasi sinasabing galit ka.
my friend said she's not angry. She's hungry. Okay?
Tapos na, comment na. Don't angry to me, please. He is also Philippines?
No, Indonesia.
No, she's not Indonesia. She speak with you Tagalog. Ilong,
I'm not from Philippines. I'm from, ano ba yun?
Pakistan.
No, Nepali.
You Nepali?
Yes.
You Nepal. Maybe your joy is Nepali. That's why you say
No, I
Nepali.
don't like Nepal.
Oh, don't say like this. You are in the live and people listening you.
I don't like. Even they kill me.
All country is good. Okay, sometimes people is not good.
Yeah, yeah.
Don't
Hi, Chitchat.
May baba muna ako kay baba.
Mm-mm.
mataba.
You know what I'm eating? This one?
Yeah, why you eating? Where are you in Qatar?
I'm here in Azizia.
I every day come Azizia.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Wala?
Yeah, every day I come Azizia. San ka sa Azizia?
Dito sa malapit sa Saudiya.
I listing this place. You know, my office in Al Azizia. I work in Al Azizia, near to the Sports City metro station.
Always there. I'm always the one who using the salt.
Talaga?
How many days in a 1 week?
Talaga?
What's your name?
How many days in a 1 week?
My God, we are talking for a long time and now you're asking my name.
Mommy. How can I say mommy?
How many times I going there?
It's okay na for me. You call me mommy.
No, I don't like. I have just one my mommy. She's enough for me. I don't want other mommy.
निकलनी चाहिए भाई मैं तंग आ गया हूँ भाई
Just call me grandma.
Nah, Hindi.
ऐसे ही
Call me grandma. Maafin mo.
No. What's your? Huh?
फिंगर
इधर ही होने हैं.
ओए ऐसे ही छोड़ दे
Hi, it's me, Jopay.
उस
Lika, bebe.
जीन्स नहीं अलाउ
आकित का बेबे.
मेरे पास 2 पड़ी है तू कर ले
No, tell me your name.
यार शर्मी तेरे पास पैंट शर्टें हैं ना हाँ दे ना यार ले ले मना किया तू ले ले
Yes, bebe. Akit ka.
क्या करो उतार देंगे
आकित का बेबे.
नहीं है ना
Gusto ko kita makita.
Yes, good evening. Ang aga mo naman mag-sleep. Ah,
Lights off po. Then have button. See like this. Like go there and open like this button.
thank you.
Oh, big. You are my
Thank you,
enemy.
bebe.
It's me, Jope. Why you not send me one heart? I'm not your enemy.
Thank you, bebe. Good night. Mag-sleep ka na? Ang aga ba?
She is also your co-worker.
No, she's working in Dubai.
Thank
Dubai
you.
or Abu Dhabi? Ah, yeah. See? She sent you.
I
sent
request.
you.
I request. Then she send me. Thank you. It's for Jopo.
Yeah.
Kit ka na?
She's in Dubai.
One night in Dubai. Come up.
Akyat ka? Ah, okay.
Kal Hindi. Gising ka na.
Good
How
night
you sleeping?
po.
If you are sleepy, how you messaging? It means
Thank
you are
you
awake.
so much, Jopay.
What's your name? Enjoy, guys.
Jopay.
No, your.
Jopay.
Ikaw.
Ikaw din, bibi. Ingat ka lagi.
Ingit po.
Ingat,
Ingit is
ingat.
Ingit is mean jealous. Why you
Not
say
inggit. It's ingat. Shuha. Ingat means keep safe. Take care.
Ingit. Ingat or ingit? Gat?
Ingat.
Ingat. How many ladies living in one room? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beds.
Okay, I want to show you. I want to show you one.
Oh my gosh. Hello, Pinky. How are you? Why you pink? You like pink?
My life.
I have also pink light. See? F.
God bless you more, Jopay.
Then make it pink.
I have option pink, but I don't like. I mostly put green because I
Just
like.
one. Yalla, just one. Switch it in light, in pink.
This one.
Yeah. Switch it in pink. Where is it?
Pink not good, na. I'm a boy. You are girl.
Just
Different.
try it only one. One time only.
For your masaya, I can try, but for long
Yeah.
time I cannot try.
For your masaya, para daw sa ikakasaya mo.
Not long time, but only maybe 20 seconds. 22 or 10 seconds.
इधर एक वो पड़ा था यार Just a 1 minute. I need to be checked first because long time I'm not on. Hello, Miss. In your room, all pink, pink. You also wearing pink.
The top, I may 50. Perna!
Ikaw puso mo.
Close na. Hello,
Ay, laka, wala siyang kanin.
The one is coming to beauty now.
Yeah. Just
Where
now
is
she
hello, mommy? Where is blue one? Blue one. The wearing blue.
parang gusto ko
Angry
yung
lady.
She's in another room.
Oh,
Yeah.
then why she come in your room?
Just here, see? This if she go out then there.
मार दिया तूने थोड़ा जाने दे वो तो नहीं है तो दुनिया
Why you need to know everything?
I feel like like alone, balloon.
Saan ako nagpuso para sa inyo?
Si Arlene ba?
उनकी तो मतलब मुझे दिलाने के लिए जाना देते हैं
Oo.
Kano, te?
तो मुझे क्या रहा मेरा वहाँ पे हालत खराब है तू तो चॉकलेट और पिज़्ज़ा खा रहा है खोती को
Saya si Karis ngayon. Maraming pera. Kano kinita mo, Nes?
200.
हमें कह रही है थोड़ा हालत खराब है मर गई ये वो आज तो सुबह खा के और इतनी बड़ी दोनों की चॉकलेट कैसे खाती
Gusto ko, kayod.
Magkano ang tips mo?
Tayo.
क्या हुआ
Kayod.
Listen, what is the name of this pink lady?
कुछ नहीं हुआ ठीक है शरीर है और कुछ नहीं होगा
Ha?
The name of this pink lady, what?
जब नहीं हो सकेंगे नहीं यार
Sherlyn.
Charlene? How are you, Charlene?
Yung talong, gusto ko tikman yan.
Kumain na ako. Sherlyn, tawag ka. She's busy. She said she's busy.
She's busy with Jomo.
Yeah, jowa niya.
Why, more Jowa.
Jowa niya.
Wali Jowa, no benefit. Bing Khan, welcome, Johnny.
Ano kaya ito?
Wali Jowa.
Para saan?
Kaya mo din ginagawa daw si Arlene ng halawa.
Arlene! Oh, galing kay Aman, oh. Ano to? Anong gawin natin? Ay,
Hindi para.
ito sa luyot.
See this ito.
Sa luyot ba to?
Hello, Baliw. Miss Baliw, how are you?
Ito, Arlene. Ayan mo nga.
Please mataba. Mama,
Lutuin ko to.
please mataba.
Aadibuhin ko yan pag may time ako.
Hindi man to sa luyot ko.
Ano? Ano kasta?
No, I don't want to see. She's angry lady. I don't like. Pink is good. She is happy mood. I like the people. They have a happy mood. I don't like people.
Wala ka
They're
Ala.
aggressive.
Yala kalas.
Yan, masarap
This lady is good. She is happy mood. The pink one.
Ayaw mo to? Parang ang bango.
Ito ginagawa tong tinapay.
Ano gawa mo?
Na.
She's too
Kesa
much.
hi, Johnny. Ano daw?
Ang tinapay ko eh.
Like, kamusta ka?
Pero dry naman, okay lang.
Kumusta
Kaya
ka?
ma-expire niya, no, babe?
Same in my language.
Lagay mo dyan pag ano.
Being kind. Mabuti po.
Dalhin mo kayo doon sa ano. Bakit tapon nila?
Ngaling.
Iyasan na yung iba may.
Ayan o, dalhin mo. Ayan sa ilalim.
Gagawa ako ng ano. Sa'yo
बहुत ज्यादा पी
Oo, lahat yan. Kuhanin mo.
मुझे वो लफ्ज किया मैं लगाने से पहले इनको सोचे फिर मैंने बोला शानी को तो मसला नहीं होता
Bukal yan. Kaya rin ako, dalhin mo.
Masarap yung talong. Masarap yung talong. Tikman nyo.
may tara na!
मैं भी मत करो ना
Tamad ako.
Ang gawa ko ng ano, maruya.
Ayan, ako.
Para dalhin mo sana.
Dito?
Oo.
Ay, tatamad ako.
Doon na ako siya na maghatid sa akin.
Tawagan ko si Lucano kung pupunta siya.
Oo, sige.
Hoy, ano yan? Partner?
Halika na! Gawa tayo maruya! Yung saging, okay pa. Tinignan ko kanina.
Come up,
Pero sa'yo,
Wala.
ako tayo meron.
Yan ang bigay.
Tanha, you come up. Tanha. It's not only you I did. I did also for another one. The two of you. Not only for you, okay? You come up, Tanha. Let's talk.
May panit ka dyan, She?
Tanha.
Ginanon ko yung ano dun sa may banyo, matulis pala. Ay, ramdam ko talaga na ipiyak.
He's going already. How you join?
Wait, ha?
तुम्हारा ही करा